Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if Steam keeps crashing when installing games on Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to clear the Steam client's download cache. Now to do this, open up your Steam client and from here on go on the Steam option in the top left corner and then select the settings option. From here on in the settings window, click on the download section on the left pane and then on the right side you have a big clear download cache button at the end of this page. So make sure to click on it and then press on OK to confirm your choice. This will clean up the Steam download cache and then it will restart the client. Now from here on just input your credentials once again and then you can try and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another simple solution is to run Steam as an administrator. Now to do this, simply right-click the Steam icon on your desktop and select the Run as Administrator option. Then you can just proceed with reinstalling the games you had problems with and check if the issue still persists. But from now on, if you'll see that running as an administrator is what works best for you, you can make sure that this will run every time you open Steam without having to right-click on it. So what you have to do is right-click the Steam icon and then click on the Properties option. Now in here, click on the Compatibility tab and from here on you also have this option that says Run this program as an administrator. So tick the box next to it and from now on Steam will run as an administrator automatically. Lastly, just click on Apply and OK to save the changes and you're good to go. Moving on, another useful solution is to disable the Windows Firewall. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then type in Firewall and then select the Windows Defender Firewall from the search results. Now in here on the left pane, click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and for both private network settings and public network settings, tick the box next to Turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on OK to save the changes and then you can try once again to reinstall the problematic game. You can then check if the issue still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to check if Steam is running in compatibility mode. Now the first thing you have to do is right-click the Steam icon and select the Properties option. From here on in the Steam Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab and in here make sure that the box next to Run this program in compatibility mode 4 is ticked in. Now simply click on Apply and OK to save the changes and then you can restart Steam and check if the problem still persists. However, as an alternative, we highly recommend you to try out Restoro, which is an app that specializes in scanning and repairing any issues with your Windows operating system faster than you think. At the same time, Restoro also repairs damage caused by malware, which is a great plus in functionality. So make sure to check out the link in the description below. And that's it, super simple, isn't it? Of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and as usual, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.